One of the great benefits of learning music with Trad Success is that you will learn how to read music. With our revolutionary methods, we have made the reading of music so much easier than ever before. With Trad Success, you can follow along with the written music in real time, so you know exactly where you are at all times, while simultaneously being able to watch us play the instrument on the other screens. One, two, three, four. I'll tell me man when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3. Please will you tell me who is she? On the manuscript, we have included many useful features that will greatly help you when learning the ukulele. First of all, we have included the strumming pattern for every song. This is located at the beginning of each song. For your benefit, we have also written out how many times to strum each chord. For example, if you see a multiply by 2 symbol next to a chord, you strum that chord twice. Or if you see a multiply by 3 symbol, you strum that chord 3 times. When changing chords in a song, it's very important to land on the correct word or syllable. So, in order to help you, we have placed the chord name above the correct syllable. We have highlighted the syllable in a different color, and we have also underlined the syllable for you. And finally, we explain how to strum the last chord of the song so it ends nicely.